Starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah. Now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. And once again in new video, I'm going to teach you pronoun. Now it's turn of pronoun. That what is pronoun? Pronoun is basically taken from Latin word also pronomen, which mean instead. Pronoun is composed of two parts. Pro means previous and noun means name. It means basically pronoun means previous name. The definition now, let's dive into the definition. What is the definition of pronoun? Pronoun is a word. It can be word or it can be group of words. But we are going to discuss here beginner level or basic level. That's why we are not going to discuss pro level. So we will discuss that pronoun is a word, he, she, or it, they, which is used instead of noun to avoid the repetition of a noun. We will use pronoun instead of noun. In previous video, we have discussed that what is noun. So now we are discussing pronoun. Pronoun is a word, once again, he, she, it, and more as well, which is used instead of noun. It means we will use pronoun instead of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. It means that's why we are using pronoun instead of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. For example, let's dive into example. Now you will understand easily. For example, Ali is a boy. In this sentence, here is two nouns, but we are focusing only on Ali. Ali is a boy. So Ali is a noun. Instead of this, if we use Ali goes to school, it means we didn't use pronoun instead of noun. The same thing we use. If we use Ali is a boy and he goes to school. So here he is pronoun. What we have done it that we avoid the repetition. It means we didn't repeat Ali once again. That's why we use pronoun. He goes to school and he has two best friends. So in these two places we use he is a pronoun, subject pronoun. That's why we avoid the repetition of noun. Instead of Ali, we use he. So it means the conclusion is that instead of noun, we use pronoun. That's why to avoid the repetition of noun. It means we do not want to repeat noun again and again and again. So that's why we use pronoun. So it was all about pronoun. If you have any kinds of question relating to pronoun, so comments below, I will answer you, and thank you so much for watching.